Syrian cuisine is a reflection of the country's rich history and cultural diversity. Located in the Middle East, Syria has been influenced by a variety of cultures and civilizations throughout its history, including the ancient Greeks, Romans, Ottomans, and Arabs. The cuisine of Syria is characterized by its use of fresh and aromatic ingredients, as well as a range of spices and herbs. In this essay, we will explore the unique and flavorful dishes that make up Syrian cuisine. Syrian cuisine. Syrian cuisine is a fusion of flavors and ingredients from various regions and cultures, including Mediterranean, Middle Eastern, and Turkish. The cuisine features a range of stews, soups, and meat dishes that are hearty and flavorful. Some of the most popular dishes in Syrian cuisine include kippeh. Kippeh is a popular dish in Syrian cuisine that is made from bulgur wheat, ground meat, usually beef or lamb, and spices. The mixture is then shaped into balls or patties and deep-fried or baked. Kippeh is often served with a side of yogurt or a dipping sauce made from pomegranate molasses. Muhammara. Muhammara is a dip made from roasted red peppers, walnuts, breadcrumbs, and spices. It is often served as an appetizer with pita bread or vegetables. The dip has a sweet and spicy flavor and is a favorite among Syrians. Shawarma. Shawarma is a popular street food in Syria that is made from marinated meat, usually chicken or beef, that is cooked on a spit and then sliced thinly. The meat is typically served in a wrap or pita bread with vegetables, hummus, and tahini sauce. Bamia. Bamia is a stew made from okra, lamb, and tomatoes. The stew is typically flavored with spices such as cumin, coriander, and cinnamon. Bamia is often served with rice or bread and is a favorite among Syrians. Fattoush. Fattoush is a salad made from chopped vegetables such as tomatoes, cucumbers, and onions, as well as herbs such as parsley and mint. The salad is typically dressed with lemon juice and olive oil and is often served with pita bread. Desserts. Syrian cuisine is also known for its sweet and flavorful desserts, which often feature ingredients such as honey, nuts, and dried fruit. Some of the most popular Syrian desserts include baklava. Baklava is a sweet pastry made from layers of phyllo dough, honey, and nuts such as pistachios or walnuts. The pastry is typically cut into small pieces and served as a dessert or snack. Halva. Halva is a sweet confection made from sesame seeds and honey or sugar. The mixture is typically pressed into a block and then sliced into small pieces. Halva is often served as a dessert or snack. Mahalabia. Mahalabia is a type of pudding made from milk, sugar, and cornstarch.